Dylan, we either gonna move this trailer or we gonna rip the unibody in half off this Jeep.
What we finna do is rotate the earth backwards.
we go do something. I gotta see you even attempt to move this. You want? Yeah, he in one of them squatted trucks.
Alright, let's see.
Put that thing down in one. You know, that's really, really impressive.
I told you this Jeep can do anything.
Okay. Dude, you're maxed out. That thing's tooted up. Alright, we're back. As you can hear in the background, the kids are out here riding their buggies around. But we got parts for the Barracuda. Alternator, water pump, belt, master cylinder,
Plug wires, rotor, cap.
Stealing my thunder?
You missed it.
Alright. Deal with you when this camera's off. So we're gonna try to get it to drive off the trailer and hopefully stop. And we might get to take it out and do some very dumb things with it. But we're just gonna see how far we can get. Lines might be rusted through. First things we're doing, gonna try to get this master cylinder out. He's gonna hit the cap and rotor. This one broke loose pretty easy. Look at this. This one, let's see. Oh,
Glad you tightened it first.
that was good. I didn't tighten anything.
You did, you just tightened it.
No, that was to the left.
That's righty-tighty.
Yeah, I never went to the right.
You pushed it towards the firewall. I just watched you.
To get it on, I have it on video.
Never mind then.
We got the old master out. This is the new one. Design looks a little different. But that's pretty nasty stuff. Dylan got the cap and rotor on. The old rotor is right here. And look how worn down all of this was. Pretty nasty stuff. We got the master cylinder in, got some fluid in it. It is pushing fluid through. We haven't bled it yet. We're on to trying to make the alternator work, but we don't have the top alternator bracket. Let me see if I can knock out some of that sunlight. So what do? Throw a piece of wood in it, tighten the bolt up real tight. Belt feels great.
Daddy, look.
Send help. Well, we got good news. We went to go fill it up with water. And it started pushing all this coolant out. It means it was still holding some in there. Which hopefully means we don't have a blowed head gasket or something of that nature. But we're gonna let that drain out, loop these two lines right here. So that way we don't have to worry about the heater leaking or that hose that had a hole in it leaking. Put water in here. I think that's all we need to start. And then we'll let it run, get up to temp, unstrap it, move it off the trailer. If the brakes don't work, then we're just gonna hit that fence. I don't really want to bleed them on here.
What is this?
I think we threw everything away, dude.
That's not good. Alright, we're going to unstrap the car, put it in neutral, roll it off the back. Then we'll start it and drive it. We had to go get a new radiator cap because our radiator cap was bad. We were going to test it off camera and see if it had any leaks. There was no leaks except for the radiator cap. Alternator was working with our Bobo tensioner. We're gonna get this unstrapped. We'll see what see if we can drive it, how well it drives across the yard to be pressure washed. Hey, if anything gets crazy, you could try to pull that emergency brake cable. I don't know if it works. Yeah. I'll tell you when you get right.
Over the front of the trailer.
Let me make sure that
It won't actually roll back.
we're still centered.
Take the fuel off the top.
I think I'm at a disadvantage here. Alright, you ready? I think it is locked up.
The rear is rolling.
Is it in park? Is it in neutral? Transmission? Truck is hooked up. Acura's hooked up. It looks like it might have unlocked, but skirt, 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 and unlocked here. We're gonna see. I gotta put her in drive for the first time. Locked down. Do it again. Give it a little. It's fine. We'll be right back. Alright, so we unlocked the other side's wheel hub, or we think we did. We're gonna see. Oh, you're good. You're good. There we go. First drive in 30 years, y'all. The throttle will stick. So be careful, Dylan.
It started taking off.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Be careful. Any brakes? Is it kind of slowing it down? All right, you ready to take her to the shop? See how
I'm walking so close. I gotta turn.
I'm gonna get out of the way, Dylan. It sounds good. All right, let's go pressure washer. Remember that throttle will stick, so be careful. The next day after we got it cleaned up. Looks cleaner. I mean, paint just kind of sucks, but it looks cleaner. Actually seeing the windows now. But we didn't get brakes. We got brake fluid in the lines and slightly pumped up, but I'm trying to keep y'all out of the wind. We haven't got them bled yet. We just knocked all the crud off of them. We'll be bleeding them in the next video and hopefully doing its first roadworthy test. We did drive it around the yard, drove good, real floaty. Can't wait to take it down 5 Bridge, which is going to be real bumpy, if you know what I mean. So, next video, driving it down the road.